Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. So today we are going to discuss another important course, that is JSP. JSP technology. Okay. So as part of previous tutorial, we have already provided the complete serverlet tutorial. Okay. So similarly, this is the next server side technology that by using which we can develop web application like servlet. Okay, so how we are developing the web applications using the servlet technology. So similarly, we can use JSP technology, or we can mix up servlet with JSP to develop the web application. Okay, so that we are going to study as part of this course. Okay, so here I will provide the comprehensive course module so that from the starting to the end, like each individual module I will cover as part of the JSP. Finally, what I will provide, I will give one mini project using servlet, JSP, MySQL, JDBC, all these things. Okay, so no need to worry. So as part of this course, we are going to see what are the content we are going to uh, cover as part of this course. Okay, so as part of the course content, we will first see servlet JSP overview. Okay, what is servlet, what is JSP, and what kind of application where we can build by using this servlet and JSP, and what is the flow when developing the web application, what is the flow of that application, that we are going to understand as part of the servlet JSP overview. Next, what we will see, what is the need of JSP when we have servlet. Since there is a servlet server side technology is there, so by using servlet we can develop our web application. Then what is the need of JSP, why we require JSP, even even there is a server side technology, that is servlet. Okay, that we are going to understand as the second thing. Okay, and then we'll understand like servlet life cycle. Here we'll understand life cycle of JSP. Okay, so that we are going to understand in detail. I'm going to explain each and every one. Okay, today I'm only discussing like what are the topics we are going to cover as part of this tutorial. Okay, so then after discussing the basic things, then we will cover implicit objects in JSP. This is the first. What are the implicit objects? So as part of the implicit object, what we are going to cover: out implicit objects, request implicit object, response implicit object, config implicit object, and many more implicit objects are there. We are going to cover some implicit object I have pointed out here. Okay, then we are going to study tags or scripting element in JSP. What are the scripting elements? And basically there are three kinds of scripting elements are there, like scriptlet tag, then expression tag and declaration tag. These tags, how we can going to use and how we are going to work with these tags. Okay, whenever what is the purpose of all these tags, what we are going to write actually inside that. Okay, so these tags actually used to write the Java code inside the JSP page. So for that we need this kind of tags. In detail we are going to discuss. Okay, then the third chapter is like JSP directives. What is JSP directives? Page directives we are going to see, include, taglib directives, all these kind of directive we are going to see. Okay, and then the fourth one is introduction to JSP action tags. What are the action tags? Forward action tag, include action tags, and Java bin action tags. These are the tags we are going to see. Okay, and once that is completed, then we'll see expression language. Okay, expression language. Then MVC in JSP. Okay, JSTL introduction. All these things we are going to see. Then as part of JSTL, we are going to see JSTL core tag, JSTL core tags, JSTL function tag, JSTL SQL tags. All these tags we are going to see by using that JSTL tags, how we can improve our development. Okay, that we are going to see. As part of JSTL core, we are going to cover out JSTL tag, set JSTL tag, catch JSTL tag, if JSTL tag, choose, okay, this is a typo mistake. Choose when and otherwise JSTL tag, for each JSTL tag to iterate for tokens with the conditions that we are going to see, redirect JSTL tag, etc. Means many more JSTL tags we are going to see as part of JSTL core tags. Okay, then once that core tags are completed, JSTL core tags are complete, then we will see the function tag, JSTL function tags. Okay, JSTL function tags will cover contents function in JSTL. Okay, and content ignore case, trim, starts with two lower, two upper, then substring, index of, length, and many more functions we are going to see as part of this JSTL function tags. Okay, and once that is covered, then we'll see JSP custom tags. We'll be covering JSP custom tags, and only the core and JSTL function tags I have discussed here, and there are other also SQL tags or formatting tags that is also there. Okay, that also we are going to see. Okay, JSP custom tags, then we'll see the JSP custom tags, and we'll see how to work with the HTML checkbox, radio button, drop down by using with the HTML form. We will see each and uh, every concept like checkbox, radio button, drop down. We will see with proper example. Okay, and once that is completed, you will get pretty much idea about the JSP, how to work with JSP technology. Now it's the time came to work with the small mini projects, kind of user registration using JSP, JDBC, MySQL, Tomcat, using which we will start our development. Whatever we have studied so far, by using that we will develop our kind of mini project. Okay, part of mini project. Okay, then login validation using JSP, JDBC, MySQL, and Tomcat, that also we are going to see. And once that is completed, finally we will see the complete mini project end-to-end crowd operation app. We'll develop an application using JSP, Servlet, JDBC, MySQL, and Tomcat. Here this will end our JSP course content. Okay, so no need to worry. I will explain each and every topic in detail. Okay, with example, and like whatever the code I'm going to write, that code I'll put in the Git. At the end of the tutorial, I'll going to give the Git link. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so so you might have understood that what are the course content we are going to cover as part of this JSP course content. Okay, we'll meet in the coding section. Thank you.